Welcome back to my intergalactic journey in building the Millennium Falcon. This is going to cover boxes 15, 16, and 17, which is issues 57 through 68. Now, to save you the time of watching my amazing montages of putting all of these pieces together, I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what these boxes cover. So, in issues 57, 58, 59, and 60, we continue working on the frame of the Millennium Falcon. And as we move into box number 16, which is issues 61, 2, 3, and 4, we add on the plating of the Falcon. And it is looking beautiful. It's coming together very nicely. Now you're probably wondering, what is this big hole right here that's missing some plating? Well, apparently, eventually we'll put on a removable piece here so you can see the lounge area of the Millennium Falcon. And then this piece over here, which is the engine cover, we start working on in box number 17. And that's what we have right here. This is the engine cover. So that will eventually go on top of this like that. And it looks like a future box will have that missing piece right there. So, oh, and then also we work on some of these recesses that will get added eventually to the top of the Falcon. So we make some really great progress in these three boxes. If you would like to watch the montage, well, here it goes with issue 58. Word it on out.
This little tool here came with issue 42, and it's to help you thread the holes better. Some of these little holes in the frame are a little too small, and so this threading tool helps open them up and make the screwing of them together easier.
All right, so I just pulled this out of package 60, and as you can see, the plastic base is super warped. I'm going to get my heat gun and try to gently warm it up so I can reshape it. But just be on the lookout when you're putting together the plastic base. These pieces are very fragile, and you do need them for a while to hold everything up and nice. And yeah, let's find the heat gun. All right, and if you don't have a heat gun, maybe a hair dryer will work, but let's see if what this does. I hope I don't melt the whole thing. Just keep on moving it though. You don't want to like hold it in one place or you'll melt the whole thing. Probably should be wearing some face protection as well. Woo! Ow. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, it's much better. Ah. All righty. Now we're cooking with gas. And then I believe this piece here just kind of pops in. Okay. Yeah. All right. And now we're moving on. All right. So. All right, and that's the end of issue 66. And as you can see, we've made some epic progress on putting on the plating. This is coming together so beautifully. So let's move on to... And that completes our episode with boxes 15, 16, and 17. And one thing I failed to mention at the beginning is I actually don't have pack number 57 just yet. It was one of the biggest reasons there was such a delay in doing this project, because pack 57 has the control board for all the animatronics of the Falcon, and there was a chip shortage during the pandemic and it just took forever, so I had to kind of go through some backdoor channels to get packs 58, 9, and 60. So that's why we didn't cover 57 in this episode. Hopefully we'll get to that sooner rather than later. If you like what you watch, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and at least favorite the playlist that I'm storing all these in. So if you are curious as you start your own Millennium Falcon adventure, we can build it together. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. More than happy to share anything about my experience with this project or process. And until next time, stop planning and start making something. Thanks for watching, everybody.